Okay. So in the last class, we started the linear equations. In linear equations, what is the general equation? Ax plus by plus c equal 0. This is general equation of the linear equation. Why it is called linear equation? Because it is degree 1. देखो power 1 variables a, b, c are constant. Example I given last class में that some 3x plus 2y plus 5. This is a linear equation. This is a linear equation. Okay, degree 1. Always we have to make this equation in this format only. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Okay. So linear equations in two variables means two equations are there. Okay. So what are the two equations? What are the two equations we learned? A1x plus b1y plus c1 equal 0. This is the first equation. A2x plus b2y plus c2 equal 0. This is second equation. Okay. Linear, this is called linear equations in two variables. Only two variables are there. X and y are the two variables. A, B, C are constant numbers. Okay. Now in total chapters they will give two equations. We have to solve. Solve means we have to find x and y. Okay. Uske liye we done two methods. We have two methods. One is graphical method. Graphical method. Other one is algebraic methods. Algebraic methods. These are the two methods we have to solve the equation. Okay. So last class we done graphical method completely. Graphical method we done. Matlab we have to draw the graph of these two equations. You know how to draw the graph also. Last class ka video I'll send you. Once you see ho jayega. Okay. So graph, always linear equation ka graph is always a straight line graph only. A curvature nahi aayega. Always it will be like this, like this, like this. But it's not like this. Aisa nahi rahega. Okay. Straight line. So after drawing the graph, I told you there are three cases. What are the three cases? Yaad hai? Anybody tell? What are the three different cases?
Intersecting, parallel,
Yes.
or coinciding.
Intersecting lines, it can be, or parallel lines, it can be, or coinciding lines. These are the three different cases is possible. Okay. And we know intersecting has how many solutions?
One,
One solution. And parallel?
0,
Yes. And coinciding?
infinity.
Infinite.
Okay. So these are all things we studied in the last class. Okay. Now, without drawing the graph, can we know whether it is intersecting, parallel, or coinciding? Anything? After drawing the graph only we are able to get, right, like intersecting, parallel, coinciding. But my question is, without drawing the graph, can anything possible, Aisa? No? Okay. But answer is yes. It is possible. Okay. There is a good magic maths, na? So I say. So without drawing the graph only, we can tell whether which of this following case is possible and how many solutions also we can get. Uske liye, we have to know the relation between the coefficients. These are the coefficients. X ka coefficient is what? A1. Y ka coefficient is B1. And this is constant C1. These are the coefficients. If I find the relation between them, we can able to tell whether intersecting a parallel or coinciding. Okay. So what is the relationship? We will see. So relation between coefficients of linear equation. Write down neatly, notebook mein properly. There are two equations, right? A1x plus b1y plus c1 equal 0. A2x plus b2y plus c2 equal 0. Now some relationship we got from this and we can tell directly by this. Okay. So what is the relationship between the two things? Good evening, Maya. So we have two equations, right? A1x plus b1y plus c1 equal 0. A2x plus b2y plus c2 equal 0. These are the two equations, right? So by knowing the relationships, we can tell whether it is intersecting a, coinciding a, parallel without drawing the graph. Okay. We will see. If A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by A2, then we can say it as intersecting. The two graphs are intersecting. Okay. A1, A2, you know, right? coefficient of x is a1, coefficient of x is a2. The two equations ka. And suppose if all are equal, I told you that is coincident lines. एक के ऊपर एक है, ऐसा रहेगा. Okay. If a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2, it is called parallel. Okay. And intersecting has how many solution? One solution. One solution. And one more name is given, that is called, it has, since it has at least one solution, that is called as which one? Consistent or inconsistent?
Consistent.
Consistent. It is consistent. Very important. Okay. Here, since it is coinciding, it has infinite solution. And since it has infinite solutions, at least one solution is consistent. Since it has infinite solution, it is also consistent. And you know, since it is depending on one to one another, एक के ऊपर एक है ना, overlap हो रहा है ना, that's why we can call also dependent. We call this as dependent. Okay, very important. Next, this one, parallel. Parallel में a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. It has no solution, right? No solution because it is not touching. And it is consistent or inconsistent? This is no solution. So it is
Consistent. Inconsistent.
inconsistent. Inconsistent. On the videos, सब लोग So this one we have to by heart now. Hasik understanding? Yeah. Doubt है तो पूछो. Okay. So by heart करो. I'll ask.
Like if it's one solution, infinite solution.
If I tell intersecting means you have to tell the condition a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by 2. Like that. This is important because based on this one numericals are there now. Okay, finished. Bye, Reda. This is easy, right? All are dependent. One dependent. A1 by 2. That's why all are equal. Sirf C1 C2 is not equal means no solution. This is A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by 2, then it is intersecting. Okay, tell Shravya.
Yes, sir.
Tell intersecting condition without seeing below. Okay.
Sir, A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2.
Yes. Hasika, tell parallel.
A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, but is not equal to C1 by C2.
Yes. Abhiram, for coincident.
A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2.
Yes. Okay. On the videos, sublog. So that I can know, I can ask the questions, right? On the video. Able to hear, right? Okay. Chalo. Next. So you can able to identify A1, A2, B1, B2, right? Equation mein. You tell me, suppose if I given 5x plus 6y plus 5 is equal to 0. What is A1? What is B1? What is C1?
A1 is 5x.
No. Only number. Coefficient of x is only number.
Okay.
Tell me, A1 is
5.
B1
6.
and C1 is
5.
yes. So we can, by using these relationships only, we can able to find the value of, they will give like find the value of k वगैरह they will ask. Okay, so we'll do the numericals, you will understand. आ गया ना सब लोग को बैठ कर देना. Yes. चलो न्यूमेरिकल स्टार्ट करने वाला है. थोड़ा इसी मॉडल्स में एग्जाम्स में आएगा. ओके चलो करो. He is telling to find the values of a and b in the two equations in which the system has infinite solutions. So infinite solution means always you have to understand it is a which solution, which lines? Infinite.
Coincident.
Coincident. Now use the relationship and try to find A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. You have to equate these two or cross multiply and find the value of A and B in this equation. Janavi, what is A1 here in this case? A1 is how much? Janavi, can I able to tell?
Yeah, sorry. Like
A1 is
2.
2 by A2 is 4. We should take with sign conventions proper way mein, okay? B1 is how much?
A
No, y का coefficient, y को छोड़ के remaining पूरा is
minus
A,
4.
B,
Minus 4 and then by A
minus of A minus 4.
Yeah.
Because y को छोड़ के remaining पूरा we should put.
Yeah.
Okay,
And then
coefficient is that
A
one, right?
minus 1. Minus
Minus of A minus
Minus.
1 is equal to C1 by
And then
C2 is how much?
2
2b plus 1
minus 1
by
and then 5b minus 1.
5b minus 1. Khatam. Now, ये दोनों equate करो, cross multiply, you'll get A value. Again, these two equate, you'll get B value. Find A and B. Until last.
Sir,
Tell me.
I didn't understand B1.
See, you just now came, right? See, A1x plus B1y plus C1 equal 0, right? What is the coefficient of x here? A1, right? Similarly, what is the coefficient of y? B1. Coefficient means that variable ko if you leave, remaining this is nothing but coefficient, right? Beside wala is nothing but coefficient. See here, what is the coefficient of B1 here? Y coefficient leave karo. Y ko chhod ke remaining pura what is there? Minus of A minus 4. That's why minus of A minus 4 I wrote. B1. B2 means what is the coefficient of y? Minus of A minus 1. Minus of A minus 1. Okay. So compare the general equations se compare karo. Now equate these two, cross multiply. So minus minus cancel. You know cross multiply, right? How to cross multiply? So if you multiply 2 times of a minus 1 is equal to 4 times of a minus 4. Okay. So multiply here. So 2a minus 2 is equal to, you have to multiply both, right? 4a minus 16. Now bring all one side and find the value of a. So minus 16 को जरा तो 16 आएगा. 16 minus 12 is 14. 16 minus 2 is 14 is equal to 2a. So implies a equal to 7. Right? A value आ गया. Now b value again these two equate करो. You can cross multiply, right? 1 by 2 also you can write and cross multiply and solve. These two ले लो. And tell the value of b also.
So it's B3.
B3, yes.
So sir, we are first cross multiplying with a minus 4, then 2b plus 1.
Yes. So 2 times of 5b minus 1 is equal to 4 times of 2b plus 1. Or you should simplify also. 1 by 2 it is easy, right? Still 1 by 2, right? Now multiply 5b minus 1 into 1 is 5b minus 1 is equal to 2 into 2b minus 1. 2 times of 2b plus 1. Right? So you're multiplying, cross multiplying. Okay. Now 5b minus 1 is equal to 2 to 4b plus 2. So b plus 4b इस तरफ आया तो minus आएगा. So b is equal to 3. खत्म. These are the two values. So they can give infinite solution, they can give intersecting, they can give a parallel wala. Okay, anything coinciding on the parallel on the no solution, infinite solution. We have to use the condition, basic condition, we have to solve. Okay. Understood? So have you understood, right? Wala? Yes. Chalo. Next. Now try. So you understood here A1, B1, C1. But condition क्या है? No solution. No solution में what is the condition? They are parallel, right?
Yeah, A1 by A2 equals B1 by B2 equals C1 by C2.
Equal? No.
Oh,
Parallel, no solution. Not equal to C1 by
yeah.
C2. Okay. Now equate. How much? Anybody got? You got nothing?
K is equal to 2.
K is equal to
2.
2. देखेंगे. श्रीनिधि ट्राई करो. सिद्धार्थ understood? What is the coefficient? A1 क्या है? Here 3 by A2 is how much? 2k minus 1, because x coefficient we have to write. Okay, is equal to b1 is 1 because y का बाजू में 1 है,
Yeah.
by
K minus 1.
k minus 1 is
And
not equal to c1 by c2. And you should be very careful that when the c is here, this side also should be there. Okay, if sometimes they can give one c this side, you have to change that side and we have to make. Okay, otherwise sign में तेड़ा हो जाएगा. Okay, should be very careful. Not equal to 1 by 2k plus 1. Okay, now दोनों क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करो, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई and solve, and k value. अब आ गया आंसर.
Sir, 2.
Yeah. You also got Bhavane answer? Yes.
Sir, 2
So-
right?
Yes. So cross multiply करो. So 3k minus 3 is equal to 2k minus 1. So k is equal to minus 3 इस तरफ आया था plus 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. मतलब इसका मीनिंग क्या है? What is the meaning of this one? If I substitute k equal to 2 in this equation, if you draw the graph, you will get parallel graphs. मतलब नो सोल्यूशन आएगा. ओके, इसका मीनिंग है. अंडरस्टूड राइट? ओके, नेक्स्ट वन. सेम मॉडल करो. लाइक दिस कौन सी आपको एग्जाम में व्हेन यू गो टू द स्कूल एग्जाम स्टार्ट्स राइट, लीनियर इक्वेशन का ऐसे ही देगा. एनसीईआरटी में वेरी इजी दैट इफ यू फिनिश दिस वन 3.1 एक्सरसाइज विल बी डन. दैट इज अ होमवर्क नेक्स्ट क्लास में. 3.1 एक्सरसाइज ऑफ योर एनसीईआरटी वी हैव टू डू. ओके, सो डू. श्रीनिधि, अंडरस्टूड?
Yes.
यस.
Sir, but we
हाँ.
would get -2, right?
-2 आया वही. देखो +2k इस तरफ आया तो क्या होगा? 3k minus 2k is 1k.
1.
-3 if you send this side, +3. +3 minus 1 is 2.
Okay, sir.
3 minus 2. Okay.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Tell me.
We are not supposed to cross multiply the other side, like right?
Other side, no need of this one. If you multiply also, you will get the thing again. That value, if you substitute, that is not satisfying. मतलब indirectly that is not valuable. Okay. Only equal to वाला you have to cross multiply.
I got
Okay.
it.
Not right. Infinite solution. No, I think people will do mistake. करो. सीधा आंसर आया. Getting a multiply. हाँ, try करो.
Sir, will it be parallel?
Infinite solution means which one? Whenever there is overlapping, overlapping wala, so many points it is meeting, right? That is called infinite solution.
Okay.
So all are equal. So what is the condition? A1 by A2, coincident. So A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by A2 is equal to C1 by C2. Correct? They don't mention that condition. May only we have to find the value of K. Money on the video.
Sir, is K2?
Answer, huh?
Mm.
Okay. Only one value you got, huh?
Alright.
Okay. देखेंगे सब लोग करेंगे. Anybody got? Tell me. Got it?
After equating A and B, what should we do next?
What should we do? Cross multiply करके find करने का value of K. You
Okay,
substitute, right? Substitute
Yes.
करके cross multiply करो. Cross multiply करके we have to find the value of K. So
Okay.
A1 is how much? 1 by A2 is K plus 1. Nothing you got? Is equal to B1 is how much?
Sir, I'm doing.
Oh, doing by Y का coefficient is here 9 is equal to C1 by C2 5 by 8K minus 1. Okay. Now cross multiply करो.
Yes, sir, I got the value.
How much you got?
I got -4.
-2. You like minus always? -2? No, something mistake कर रहे हैं. Try करो. How's it get? You got?
Yeah, I got like K equals to 2.
Okay. ये थोड़ा mistake करेगा people. That's why I want to identify anybody is do बोल के. जानवी हो गया आपको? मल्टीप्लाई किया क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करो कितना होगा?
I got like K is to 1, but I think it's wrong.
K is 1 ना? Okay, देखेंगे. Anybody? Shravya, you got? How much?
Sir, I got 2.
2. Okay. देखेंगे. Okay, देखो. Here if you multiply cross multiply 9 into 1 is 9 is equal to K plus 1 into K plus 1. How much? K plus 1 into K plus 1.
So is it K square? No.
K square, no? K plus 1. See, if x into x, x square. Y into y, y square. K plus 1 into K plus 1, K plus 1 whole square. K plus 1 whole square, right? K plus 1 whole square. देखो here what is K? ये square उधर गया तो क्या होगा? A square if you send that side, what will become? Root. Okay. Root 9 is 3, right? But we should write plus or minus 3. Whenever square comes, degree 2 and 2 values will get always. Okay. See, now suppose x square is equal to 16. What is the value of x now? Tell me. X value कितना होगा?
4.
Plus or minus 4. Okay. Always याद रखो. Plus or minus 4. 2 values will get because quadratic equation. This one you will understand. One next chapter में you will understand. So always write plus or minus 1. 2 values will get. Now मतलब what is meaning of plus or minus 1 means one equation k plus 1 is equal to 3. Other equation is k plus 1 is equal to minus 3. Right? 2 values will get here. Now substitute k value is how much? K value is 1 इधर गया तो 3 minus 1 is 2. One value you got. दूसरा k equal to plus 1 if you send this side minus 1. Minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4. Okay. Now in दोनों में which is right, which is wrong?
Sir,
इन दोनों
K
में
is
which
equals to 2.
y minus अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है minus
Can I just substitute?
Sir, in the last, it won't be equal to 5 by
yes, very good. If I substitute k equal to minus 4 in this equation में, it is not satisfying. Check करो. Minus 4 if I substitute here, whether these two equations are same or check करो. Minus 4 plus 1 is how much? Minus 3, right? By 9 is equal to 5 by, substitute minus 4 in this, 8 4 ja minus 32, minus 32 minus 1 is minus 33. Whether these both are equal? Whether these both are equal? No, right? Not equal. That means k is equal to minus 4 is not satisfying the equation. That means answer is k equal to. Okay, समझ में आ रहा है? Two values will get, two values में which is right, which is wrong बोल के कैसे पता चलेगा? Just substitute minus 4 in the equation. No, substitute 2. 2 substitute करो. Here how much? 1 by 2 plus 1 is 1 by 3. Okay, 1 by 3 is equal to 2 substitute करो in the 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 by 9 is how much? 1 by 3 only. Is equal to 5 by 2 substitute करो. 16 minus 1 is 15. 15, 5 by 3. 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. Satisfying all the three equations. Okay. That means K is 2 is the answer. आपको इधर they will cut 1 mark. If you don't write plus or minus. If you don't write plus or minus, that will be wrong. Okay.
So, sir,
Tell me.
to verify, we can write minus 2. Like to
No,
verify.
why minus 2? We are only two values we got, right? K equal 2 and K equal minus 4. We have to check these two only. Okay. We should not check any some other values. See, we are getting plus or minus 3 बोलते plus 3 एक बार किया, minus 3 I have done one time. I sent to other side, I got the value of k equal to. I sent this to other side, I got the value of minus 4. So this is the answer. Answer Srinidhi? Yes. Yeah. चलो. Copy it? Understood? No. चलो next करो. Say ऐसा model करो. Then we'll understand. See, आपको school में after like when you start the linear equations in school में, they'll give worksheets also. Same questions only will be there. No new models will be there. Same questions, same thing. That's why notes अच्छे से proper way में लिखो and practice के लिए separate book रखो. Again exam time में when you want to refer the models वगैरह, just आपको notebook रहने का, एक साथ रहने का. Even physics, chemistry also. Next class I'm starting physics. Light chapter I'm starting. Okay, light chapter, first chapter. Most schools will start with the light chapter. Okay. Srinidhi, started school में start हुआ थोड़ा?
Yes, sir. Electricity is over.
Electricity over, super excellent असल. Electricity generally we will deal last में. First we'll go for light, human eye. First only वो electricity generally आपका school start हुआ आकाश लोग का? Which chapter they are doing? Physics में?
Sir, light is done, sir.
अरे क्या यार ऐसा ये बड़ा बड़ा चैप्टर है एक ही में टक 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 हो गया सुपर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी आल्सो सुपर व्हिच स्कूल श्रीनिधि
Sir, cornerstone.
ओके ओके सो इन दैट स्कूल्स में दे विल रन फास्टर याद रखो पूरा ओके चलो नेक्स्ट वन ट्राई करो ना करो एग्जैक्ट करो this also infinite solutions only he is telling to find the value of m and n proper way में write the condition, solve and find the value of m and n. Same condition, infinite means a1 by a2, same condition. Got anybody? Fraction will get.
Sir, is M 17 by 4
Yes.
and N 11 by 5.
Yes, correct. That doubt clarify किया. A1 by A2 is 2m minus 1 by 3 is equal to B1 by A2 is B1 is 3 by n minus 1 is equal to C1 by C2 minus 5 by minus 2. Minus minus cancel. Now cross multiply. This 2 ले लो and this 2 ले लो. Easy हो जाएगा. So cross multiply. इधर बोलो 2 into 3 is 6 is equal to 5 into n minus 1 is 5n minus 5. Right? So कितना होगा? Minus 5 is P send this side plus 5 11 by 5 is n. Similarly these 2 ले लो and cross multiply.
Sir, for these kind of questions, we don't need to turn it into decimals. We don't need to convert.
What word?
We don't need to convert to decimals.
नहीं don't fraction छोड़ दो. हाँ ये दोनों इक्वल करो. Cross multiply. 2 into 2m minus 1 is 4m minus 2 is equal to 3 into 5 is 15. So minus 2 उधर गए जब 17, m is equal to 17 by 4. Okay. Understood? Okay. चलो लास्ट मॉडल कर लास्ट क्वेश्चन करके एग्जैक्ट बोल दो, जल्दी बोलो, एक ही दो जन नहीं बोल रहे, पूरा अच्छे से बोलो. श्रीनदी वॉइस चाहिए एंड आंसर्स बोलो फास्ट फास्ट. ओके चलो करो. These are board exam question, this one also. Okay. So no solution he told. No solution. मतलब parallel condition we had to use.
I got A is equal to -1.
K equal to -1 देखेंगे, दूसरे लोग भी बोलेंगे. हंसिका कितना आंसर?
I'm still doing so.
क्या कर रहे?
I didn't get the answer yet.
या कर करो, no problem. Got Amanya? Same answer only.
Yes, sir, it's -1.
Correct. That is all correct.
So k is equal to -1.
Yes, -1. Same condition, right? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, not equal to C1 by C2. ये दोनों इक्वल कर लो, हो जाएगा. A1 is 3k plus 1 by A2 is k square plus 1 is equal to B1 is 3 by B2 is k minus 2. Khatam. If you cross multiply, if you solve, you will get k equal to -1 is answer. Yeah. Okay. So first method we learned as graphical method. In that may, without drawing the graph, they will tell to find like these questions. May we have to use these conditions and solve. Without drawing the graph also, we can know whether intersecting a parallel coinciding. Now we'll go for the second type of method. Second type of method we are going, which is called algebraic methods. This is a very famous one. Pura questions, jada questions will be coming in the main exams. Mein this one, algebraic methods. Okay, algebra use करना पड़ेगा for us. No. Okay, I told you algebraic methods में आपको two methods are there. Algebraic methods solve करने के लिए two methods. What are the two methods? Names anybody याद होगा?
Substitution, elimination.
Elimination, substitution and elimination. Okay, we will see through numericals only we can understand how is the substitution method and elimination method. लिख लो. Substitution method. Other one is elimination method. ये दोनों मेथड्स यूज करना पड़ेगा. एंड दोनों मेथड्स नो वन विल आस्क डू बाय सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड, डू बाय एलिमिनेशन मेथड. By seeing the question you will get habituated, you can go for any method. Okay, no one specifically do substitution ऐसा नहीं करेगा. Okay, so but दो methods you have to learn. चलो, now we'll do the questions कैसे substitute करने वाला. ऐसा already 8th class वगैरह में I think you done this type of questions, substitution method. Okay, so first one is substitution method. We'll do through numericals. Okay, they given solve by using substitution method. Initially they solve by using substitution method. Pura question मत लिखो, just write the substitution method. Okay, so what are the two equations they given? 3x minus 5y is equal to -1. Second equation they given as x minus y is equal to -1. Okay, we have to go for the substitution method. Okay, मैं क्या करूंगा? Name itself indicating substitute means we have to substitute one variable in the other equation. Okay, now see, मैं क्या करूंगा? ये I am sending this -y to this side and -1 to this side. So what is the y equal to how much from this? Y is equal to x plus 1. Because इन दोनों में से कौन सा सिंपल इक्वेशन है? ये इक्वेशन है, सिंपल है ना देखने में. That's why I make one variable as subject and I send all the other things that side. Okay, this is the first equation. Second equation, right? So I am taking second equation first. थोड़ा सिंपल लगा इसलिए. Okay, now मैं क्या करूंगा? Y value लेके I have to substitute in the first equation. I have to substitute this y value in the first equation. Okay, now we are solving. We have to find the value of x and y, right? So that this is a procedure. Substitute बोलते हो. Second equation को one variable लेके आओ. Substitute now. What is the thing? Substitute 2 in 1. 2 in 1. Okay, मैं क्या करूंगा? 3x minus 5 times of y के जगह में I am substituting as x plus 1 is equal to -1. ये समझ में आया सब? y के जगह में I substituted here 5 times of y minus x plus 1. Okay, now solve करो. 3x minus 5 into x is -5x, minus 5 into 1 is -5 is equal to -1. So 3x minus 5x is -2x is equal to -5 when you send this side plus 5. 5 minus 1 is 4 and x value is -2. x value आ गया.
Sir, can you like substitute it in like the y value as well?
y value किस में सब करेगा?
3x. No, like you can have like you can't substitute it like in the 3x part, like the first part of the
हाँ
equation.
सब्स्टिट्यूट कर सकते हैं, बट प्रॉब्लम क्या है, इसमें -5 इज इक्वल बाई आएगा, डिफिकल्ट हो रहा है बोल के सेकंड इक्वेशन चूज. वी कैन टेक विच आर इजी, एनी वेरिएबल यू कैन टेक. ओके, सो आई सेकंड इक्वेशन को सिंपल दिखा है ना, दैट्स व्हाई आई ब्रॉट दिस साइड. I substitute this in this. If you want this only equation solve करके you substitute in the second equation. Okay, x value you got -2. Now substitute any equation में which are easy, you can substitute in the y x value. Tell me x value substitute करो. इधर this is already we done right. First equation को इसमें देखो, -2 + 1 is how much? Pi value is -2 + 1 is -1. खत्म. So two values we got. So मैं substitute method means one variable को you change and just substitute in the other equation and get the value of one variable, and after getting one variable you can substitute in any of the equation, you will get the other variable. Two variables has two equations. Okay, understood? Akash understood? Asmi, Janvi understood, right? All right. चलो नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम सेम मॉडल में करो. फर्स्ट इनिशियली सब्स्टिट्यूट मेथड करो, बाद में विल गो फॉर एलिमिनेशन मेथड, बाद में कंबाइन करेंगे. नो वन विल आस्क सब्स्टिट्यूट, ऐसा मतलब नहीं करेगा. एक एनी मेथड यू कैन फॉलो. ओके, चलो चलो करो. x + 2y = -1. x + 2y = -1 and 2x - 3y = 12. These are two equations. Asking which equation is easy now? Which में लगेंगे?
First one.
हाँ फर्स्ट वन थोड़ा इजी लग रहा है ना. सो मैं क्या करूंगा, +2y को और x को इधर लिखा, एनीथिंग यू वांट. x = राइट, x = -1 -2y, right? Right, I brought one variable. Now substitute this in the second equation. Substitute until level is x and y. कितना आंसर?
So y is equal to -10.
y = -?
10.
No.
Sir, -2.
Yes, -2.
So it's -2.
-2. Yeah. X value substitute any one equation में, इसमें substitute कर लो, हो जाएगा. X value फाइंड करो.
So is it -5?
No.
No, wait 1 second.
Sir, x is 3.
X is 3. Yeah. हंसी का understood? डाउट है तो बात करो.
Yes, sir. Can you show it one more time?
Can
you just like show it one more time?
Yeah. X value got like this, right? Now I'm
Yeah.
substituting this here. Wherever x is there, I'm substituting that one.
Yeah.
So 2
and
time bracket like always.
Yeah.
-1 -2y -3y is equal to 12, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now this bracket means ये दोनों को multiply करने का. So 2 into -1 is -2.
-2.
2 into -2y is -4y.
-4y.
-3y is equal to 12, right? So -2 -4y -3y is -7y is equal to 12. मैं -2 को उस तरफ भेज रहा हूँ, so it will +2. So
Okay.
-7y is equal to 14. Y value will be easy into है ना, when you send this at division हो जाएगा. So -2.
Yeah.
Now
Okay.
substitute any one equation में. I'm substituting this. X
Yeah,
is
yeah.
-1 -2 times of -2. So So 3 is the answer, right?
Yeah, okay.
Yes. चलो now करो देखते हैं। ये मॉडल सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड करो फर्स्ट इनिशियली अंडरस्टैंड हो जाएगा। ओके नेक्स्ट करो। How much you got, Agarsh?
Sir, x is minus 21 and y is 17.
देखेंगे।
Sir, once can you explain this question?
This question, huh? Okay, tell me 2x plus 3y is equal to 9 and 3x plus 4y is equal to 5. We have to solve by मतलब we have to find the value of x and y, right? Which one easy? कौन सा लग रहा है आपको थोड़ा? किसको change करेंगे? Your wish.
The first one.
First one. Okay. चलो. What is 2x is equal to plus 3y when you send this side? It is minus 3y. 9 minus 3y, right? Now this into n, when you send that side, it will become division. So x is equal to 9 minus 3y by 2. इधर तक आया x value. Okay. Now simply substitute this value, complete value of x in the second equation. So 3 x के जगह में I'm substituting this one, bracket open, 9 minus 3y by 2. Okay. Plus 4y same है, 4y ऐसे रख रहा हूँ, is equal to 5. Okay. Now multiply 3 into 9 is 27 minus 9y by 2. Okay. Plus 4y is equal to 5. Now I want to find the value of y, right? So LCM ले लो. क्या होगा? 27 minus 9y. A LCM में तो 2 है ना, 2 से multiply करने का, right? So plus 8y. This 2 will be sending to the other side, 10. याद है ना? LCM लेना आता है ना?
Yes.
by 1 लेके LCM is 2 into 2 into 2 कर रहा हूँ, 8y and 2 को मल्टीप्लाई करते 10 आएगा। now कितना minus y 27 minus y is equal to 10, so कितना होगा plus 10 को इस साइड भेजे तो minus 10, so 27 minus 10 is 17 is equal to y. now substitute this value in the equation, this one x में, so you'll get the value of x value. So if I substitute here, x is equal to 9 minus 17 दीजिए 51 ना by 2. How much? कितना होगा? x value is minus 21 आएगा. Understood? Siddharth understood? वाला?
Sir, I have one doubt.
Tell me.
we can substitute like the second when we are doing the second.
Second in the first, anything whichever easy, you can take the value and substitute.
And if
Okay. whichever easy में देखने में ठीक है 2 3 थोड़ा इससे अच्छा 3 4 से अच्छा 2 3 is easy, right? So that's why I send that said and I substitute in the second equation. Yeah. Any doubts? Anybody? Understood? Hasika, doubt? Any doubt? Understood? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So your homework is 3.1. All you have textbooks, right? Textbooks you got, right? NCR textbook. 3.1 exercise. 3.1 exercise. Complete 3.1 exercise. Based on this only. A1 by A2, B1 by B2 wala. Okay. आराम से करो. Next class में we are starting the physics का light chapter we are starting. See, maths में school में इधर उधर chapters हो सकता है. But you know, luckily we have a summer vacations. Summer vacation में school they will not put 1 month. We will cover the chapters also. Okay. So कैसे भी पूरा complete करने का, right? You have board exams, 2 board exams, right? In this year में. So February is a dates also given, I think, so right? February is first exam. So we will try to finish. Holidays में there is a good advantage of this one. Okay. Physics के लिए notes बनाओ and I told that material evergreen बोल के लिख लो. I think हासिका evergreen self study guide बोल के Amazon में मिल जाएगा. इन पर साइंस के लिए इफ डाउट है तो इस लिंक का भेजो. राइट और रॉन्ग बोले तो आई विल टेल बाय सीइंग. ओके. एनी डाउट्स है तो भी यू कैन कॉल एनी टाइम. मॉर्निंग टाइम अवेलेबल है सर. दिस आर द थिंग्स. ये डाउट है नहीं तो ये ऐसा हो रहा है, ऐसा फीडबैक चाहिए, ऐसा कुछ है तो बोलो, बात करो. माय नंबर विल अवेलेबल. ओके. एंड नेक्स्ट क्लास में वी आर डूइंग दिस लाइट, राइट? And this recorded videos, everything I am putting in the website. Okay. I send it website का link also. उसमें all even recordings we are putting, even tests also in the class test में I will give the paper in that. You open in that website में and you can able to write the test in that. पूरा लिखने वाला है. Papers and worksheets everything I will be putting in that. Lecture wise में ये अभी कैसा यूज होगा, लास्ट में बहुत यूज होगा आपको. लास्ट में वेन आवर फॉर साइंस के लिए यानी चैप्टर के लिए चाहिए बोले तो यू कैन लिसन. यू हैव ए नोट्स नीटली विथ यू. But once if you listen fast forward में you can able to answer anything. Okay. So that's why recording videos are also important. Website में I think I given website, right? You'll bookmark store करो. I will again I'll send. इन द मैसेज में सेंड. वो एक बार ओपन करके बुकमार्क कर लो दैट वेबसाइट में. बुकमार्क मीन्स ऊपर स्टार मार्क रहेगा. आई थिंक दोज हु यूज लैपटॉप मोर दे कैन नो, सो दैट इजीली यू कैन ओपन एनी टाइम यू वांट आल्सो. उसमें कोर्सेस में इफ यू वेंट देयर विल बी नेम विजन. आई गिवन अ नेम विजन 10 बोल के रहेगा. उस बैच में सब्सक्राइब कर लो. विजन 10 बोल के उसमें all videos, our recording videos I am putting in that, because you know sometimes some people will be absent every time because storage नहीं रहेगा ना. in that में we are putting and we are deleting all the things for us. so हमारा कंप्यूटर में नहीं रहेगा, in that only रहेगा पूरा. so it is good and anytime if anybody miss also you can open, you can check in that. this is for only for my students only we are giving that all things. okay. ठीक है. right. next class में we will see the things physics में. Okay, right, bye.